after how many months? Probably almost half a year of a hiatus, I am reviving my YouTube channel, and I decided to start with something very interesting. I've been doing a lot of cooking during the ECQ, and funny enough, I have a special guest joining me, and we are going to be making Chapaguri. So this is a wonderful, wonderful collaboration with Callie. Oh yeah. So we are going to be making my version of Chapaguri. But this is going to be really, really spicy because Callie loves spicy food. The Amis love spicy food. So that is what we're going to be making. Come join. Okay, Cal. So have you opened both packets? Open both packets. Shucks, I'm not pala supposed to be showing you. Okay.
So ano pala, for the people watching, I can't see what she's doing.
Yeah.
For numerous reasons, including the fact that I am partly blind. So
She's so funny. I know, she was squinting, guys. I was like, sige ka,
How
squint.
many packets are there?
So just remove all of the flavor packets from the noodles. In the brown one or the gold one, it will be 3. And then in the orange packet, dalawa lang siya.
I've always wondered what the noodles tasted like when it's not cooked yet.
I used to eat them.
Chips lang?
Yeah, before, yung mga pancit canton, lalo na yakisoba. Shucks, I don't know if I should be saying this because am I technically promoting eating noodles raw? But like, from yakisoba, yung spicy chicken and then they have like a spicy beef. Those noodles, if you eat it raw, it's so good. It's like chips.
It is good.
Okay, so you're holding up that green packet. So take the green packet on your, what is it, your left. O sige na nga, take this. Parang baka sobrang mahirapan tayo. And then this.
Okay.
See guys, that's Callie squinting. and then these two we will cook with the noodles. Okay? So what you need to do is you gotta start up your pot on medium high or your pan. And then you put 1.5 cups of water.
How many?
1.5 cups. So I already have mine. I'm gonna put it in my sauce pot. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take the orange packet from the... I won't na show you start na tayo sa follow my voice. Shut, Callie, sana galingan natin. Okay, so there will be an orange packet and it'll be liquidy and soft. You got it? Okay, so you want to open that and then into your water, you're gonna add only 3/4 of the packet. So you're gonna leave a little bit in the packet to finish the noodles. Got it? So I'm putting mine now in the noodle water or where we're gonna cook the noodles. And then I'm only gonna leave about 1/4. So you can actually even put a little more if you want. But the reason we don't put so much water in our pot is because we want the liquid to cook into the noodles. So basically, we're not gonna strain it. What we want is for the noodles to absorb all of this flavor in the boiling water. That's why we put sauce straight into the water. Yaher. And then leave a little bit in the sauce packet. Don't throw it away. Next, you want to take the 2 white packets from both noodles. It has, if you shake it, dapat may marinig ka. Okay, so take both white packets, put it in the noodle water as well.
I feel like a chef.
I can't wait to see your edit. It's gonna be so funny. I feel like a chef and then like make a chef's hat appear on your head.
There's tiny eggs.
I thought something happened. Yes, there's tiny eggs. But it's not a real egg. Is your water boiling na? Or getting there?
Yeah.
Okay. We're not there now.
I'm watching it.
Yeah, a watched pot never boils. Okay. How's your other pan? Is it mainit na?
Very hot.
It's very hot. Okay. And I hope, is your beef ready? Do you have your beef with you?
Yes.
Okay. So you want to take a tablespoon of butter and then add it to your pan, and then you also want to add a little bit of oil. just so it doesn't burn. That's fine. We want it hot because we're gonna give our beef a good sear. Has your water started boiling?
No.
No. Is it bubbling?
Yes,
Does it look like it's going to boil?
What is it? Simmering.
Simmering. Okay, you can go ahead and put your noodles in now. So just make sure
Okay.
you can break down your noodles so that it fits in your little pot. Yeah, so you can do that. And then just get them in there. So we seasoned the beef, diba, a little bit. And then we're gonna mix it around in the pan so that everything gets a nice coating of salt and pepper. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, put your beef in.
Oh my god!
It's gonna sear. It's gonna sear and sizzle. But you'll be okay. How's your beef looking? It does, doesn't it?
Nailed it.
So if you push your tongs into the beef cubes, as long as they feel kind of firm, that's good. So you don't want it to be super matigas kasi that means well done na siya. And then you can take it out of the pan. Right, that's exactly what you were supposed to do. Good job, guys. Go ahead. Wow, those are super long tongs. It's like the length of in my arm. How's your nudes?
Boiling.
Boiling. Okay, so make sure that you're able to mix it lang para nothing sticks to the bottom of your pan. And then just so that everything is coated in the parang spicy boiling water. Okay. Multitasking. I realized it's kind of advanced level because it's multitasking. But look at you breezing through this. Yes, chef, what up? We cooking, we out here. It's so red, my gosh. And this is gonna be so spicy.
Oh my god, that's really good.
Yay! To clarify, is there still a lot of water in your pot where you're cooking the noodles? Or parang
A
saucy na lang
little.
siya? And then, lahat ng noodles mo malambot na?
Yeah.
Okay, turn off the heat.
Is it done?
Turn off the heat for the noodles. Okay.
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 Okay!
Okay, I'm going with my beef.
Okay. So, you've turned off the heat on your noodles. It's still kind of warm. Mine is also still kind of warm. She's some kind of a spicy, holy cow. So now, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna add the remainder of the orange packet, the spicy sauce. Okay, you didn't throw that away, right? Okay, so add that directly onto your nudes. So it'll not be a lot anymore, but we just want it for extra heat and flavor because we like spicy food.
Yeah.
Then you want to take the oil packet. It's a small transparent packet. And just empty that out onto the noodles as well. That's just oil. That's olive oil. Okay. And then lastly, you want to take the golden flavor packet, which has powder. So I just shake it a little so that all the powder goes down. And then you're gonna put that all over the noodles as well.
Oh my god.
And if it's not obvious, once you have everything on there, you're gonna mix it up. Mix! Basically, what we did is we infused the noodles with the spicy Jjolmyeon sauce, which was the orange packet, and then the powder is gonna give it like this brownish color and a more parang salty flavor because it's black bean sauce. So how's your noodles looking? Is it mixed well?
Yes.
Okay, so it looks kind of brown, right? Because of the black bean powder. Okay, that's it. Now you just top it with the beef. You can garnish it with spring onions or sesame seeds. So we can begin to plate. I'm gonna go and put mine in a bowl. I have a bowl.
Okay.
So I don't have spring onions today. All I'm gonna do is garnish with sesame seeds. Okay, so I'm just going to. It's long.
Can we talk about the movie? The movie was so. It was such like the twist was so.
Was crazy. Yeah, exactly. I think what I loved about the movie, because I was telling you na parang, I was like, well, it's just a Korean movie. It's just hype. And then I had a couple of friends who were like, no, you gotta watch it. Sobrang cool ng storyline and just the idea behind it. So one rainy afternoon, Joe and I decided to watch Parasite. And at first kasi I find it a little slow. Like the way they build up the story is kind of slow. Like when they're introducing you to the family. And then once they all get to a special place in the film, I won't na pala say what it is para we don't spoil it for anyone. Like once the film starts rolling, it just doesn't stop. And like you can't stop watching anymore. Diba? And then the ending is just like, what? What is going on? It's so cool how the pace of the film suddenly just switches, and I don't know, man. It's brilliant. Did you know the symbolism behind Chapaguri in the film?
No.
There's symbolism. Kasi, diba?
There is?
Yeah. This doesn't spoil anything naman. Diba there's a rich family and there's a poor family.
Yeah.
So kasi this is instant noodles. The instant noodles represents like, it being cheap and affordable, and how you can, parang how the world is so unfair, and even if you feel like something is within reach, people or systems can make it feel like it's not within reach just because of the power that they have. So in the film, they don't use caldereta cubes, they use like a really expensive Korean beef steak.
Yeah.
Because Koreans also take like their beef really seriously. So that's like the disparity. They took this really cheap noodle and made it super expensive with the beef, and that was it. And that's the like symbolism. It's like how things can be so near yet so far.
Oh, I just thought of it like food.
Food that you made.
I'm gonna put that.
That you made.
So this is my Chapaguri.
Wow! You did it, Callie! You cooked something.
I'm proud of it.
I'm proud of you.
It's full of beef. We're all meat eaters here.
That's good. That's honestly the best. Hey Alonzo, are you ready to try Ate's food? Shy pa kunwari. Oh yeah, he
Just
can
to
do
give
it.
the people like how my cooking level. I burnt popcorn with the microwave several times.
Stop.
Just
so people know.
Review where I'm coming from.
Manage expectations.
That's so fresh.
Tagal nung close your eyes. Ah, okay.
Close your eyes, close your
Yeah.
eyes, close your eyes. This is my father. Open!
Bless daw.
Eyes!
Wow. So Callie made that all on her own. Without any, all I did, I couldn't show her what I was doing. I could only tell her what to do. Are you guys impressed? She didn't burn anything. The house is intact. Ooh. Yay! Okay, I have a taste tester also. So guys, please welcome my production assistant / cameraman, aka Joa.
I am Joa. Nice to meet you. Hope it's spicy.
It's spicy. Okay, we're gonna try it.
Are we the guinea pigs?
You are,
Guinea pig?
basically.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Sure up. We did it.
Bye.
Bye. It's not as spicy as I thought it would be, but it's definitely hot. And it's good.
God.
It's good, right?
Good.
Yes, it is. It's so good. But how do you feel? You just cooked something.
But
It's like, oh my
I
god.
feel like a sad. I might be making this more often now.
Honestly, I cook it so often. Like, parang, this is probably the 8th time I've made it during ECQ. Because it's so easy. It's so easy to make. Parang, you just need to know all of the steps and how everything is supposed to look. So, like, your noodles need to be cooked in the sauce. Your beef needs to be, you know, brown and golden. Golden brown. But once you have all of those elements, it's just about mixing it and putting it together. And then it's so good. Woohoo! Okay, enjoy your dinner! And the next time I see you, we'll be making burgers. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Callie's channel. We'll link it, yeah, we'll link it down below. And yeah. See you in the next one!